How was your Karachi trip? How's your mom now?
She's good. I went for surgery,
हाँ.
right? Surgery went well.
Good.
उनकी,
Alhamdulillah.
yeah,
Yeah.
healing वगैरह भी सब हो रही है. But the funniest thing was Hajra. मेरी अम्मी की गॉल ब्लैडर रिमूवल थी, लाइक सिंपल रूटीन सर्जरी, लेकिन कुछ होता है पहले आपको अपनी प्रिपरेशन होती है थोड़ा, व्हाटएवर मेंटल प्रिपरेशन, बिकॉज़ इट्स एन इजी सर्जरी, की होल सर्जरी.
हाँ.
मैं पहुंची हूँ एक दिन पहले,
Yeah.
एंड देन आई वाज लाइक, अच्छा मामा अब कल आपकी सर्जरी है, जनरल एनेस्थीसिया भी होगा
Yeah.
एटसेट्रा, तो अब क्या हमें प्रिपरेशन करनी है, मतलब पैकिंग वैकिंग तो हो गई है. मैंने कहा बहुत जरूरी है मुझे पार्लर जाना.
You're joking.
I'm so sorry,
No.
आप पे हंस रही हूँ, आप देखेंगी.
How
नहीं, ऐसे-
cute. पार्लर जाना है. A day before.
पार्लर क्यों जाना है? शी इज लाइक, नहीं नहीं, मुझे अपने हेयर डाई भी कराना है, मुझे थोड़ी सी थ्रेडिंग वगैरह भी करनी है, मैनिक्योर पेडिक्योर. मैंने कहा पैरों में वो थोड़ी जाले, गॉल ब्लैडर यहाँ होता है, और मैनी पेडी, और फिर ये सब. मैंने कहा मामा ये तो आप तब करें जब आप हील हो जाएंगे. उन्होंने कहा नहीं नहीं, डॉक्टर्स आते हैं, तुमसे भी लोग देखने आएंगे, वो एक्साइटेड है कि आनी जाफरी इतने अरसे बाद आ रही, मुझे अच्छा लगना है. So literally the evening before we spent in the parlor. मैं बैठी हुई हूँ, माम अपना करी. मैंने कहा भाई वो पेशेंट है, उनको रिलैक्स होने दो, उनको करने दो. जब वो गई सर्जरी में, उन्होंने उनका मैनिक्योर पेडिक्योर भी हटवा लिया. उनकी शक्ल देखते ही उन्होंने कहा सारा मेकअप होता है.
No, मेकअप भी करके गई थी.
उनको मैं आईब्रोज तो बनाऊंगी जरूरी. मामा I'm so sorry, don't get upset. She's like आईब्रोज कुछ भी हो जाए
That's so
वो उतार दे, लेकिन वो तो मैं लगाऊंगी.
You know what? I think we got the topic that we need to discuss today.
Vanity.
Is vanity and skincare. Oh my god, this is excellent. So we will talk about it. Were you always like that? Were you like that?
नहीं, I'm no. But
So as a child, like, your sisters also, weren't you like face mask लगाना है या अच्छा लगना है या makeup या so on?
मैंने तो सनस्क्रीन अभी शुरू किया है. नहीं, एक पीरियड था जो बना उसे टीनेजर, मैं बहुत ज्यादा फाउंडेशन लगाती थी. पता नहीं, एक फेज आता है, आप मैगजीन्स देखते हो या जो भी है. बट स्किन केयर रूटीन जो होती है ना, उसमें मैं काफी फजूल थी, लाइक. एंड अब जाके, नाउ दैट वी आर बिट ओल्डर एंड वाइजर, अब जाके मैं कुछ ढंग का मेरा स्किन केयर रूटीन फाइनली है, जो कि मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी थोड़ी देर में.
Yeah.
बट नो, टेल मी अबाउट यू.
I mean, as a South Asian family, all I knew, three sisters, mom really beautiful, and they're always being compared कि तीनों लड़कियां माँ की तरह बिल्कुल नहीं है.
क्या?
हाँ,
You're so beautiful.
we always had that we were given that complex by relatives and people that we are nowhere near what my mother is like, and it was naturally this woman. So obviously these three girls sitting at home, mask बना रहे हैं, माँ बेसन के
तुम अपना
मास्क
mask
बना रहे हैं.
बनाती थी?
हाँ, अम्मी
Oh.
बनाती थी ना, तो अब लगा रहे हैं, बनाना का मास्क बन रहा है, वो लग रहा है, हल्दी का मास्क लग रहा है. Then the तेल के like concoction बन रहे हैं, वो भी लगा रहे हैं, सब लगा रहे हैं. So the phase of the beauty and how to look after yourself, वो तो I think generally South Asian families, if you have girls in the house, वो तो चलता है.
Look, you have really beautiful, you have excellent skin.
Well, it's
So you
now.
got to
I
tell
had a
us.
face.
Yeah.
So my 20s, beautiful skin. When I started television, and you put all that makeup, right? But if you never really know about skincare, you don't know what to do when you put this all this makeup on. You take it off, but there's a procedure also to take it off, which I did not learn till
Yeah.
later life.
Yeah.
All I was doing is using a humble facial wash. धो दिया तो सो गया होगा सा Pond, yes, and regular cream of the whatever जो घर में होती. You put it on and you're done. And then
I guess you can get away with it when we're
You
younger,
do.
but
and now look at the girls now. These 11, 12-year-old girls who are in
बहुत सारे steps होते हैं
look at
skincare में.
this skincare is crazy. They've got these mini little refrigerators, and I mean I have a son, you have a son, we don't know, but girls now they are really. I don't know if we need to get a specialist who can tell us whether that is also right. Do girls at
overdoing
that
it,
age?
you mean?
When do you start? What do you know?
Yeah.
What's the basic? We will come to that. But it was, I feel, all trial and error, right?
Yeah.
So starting from very humble masks and regular facial wash. And I guess your skin also when you're younger, the collagen that it produces, it's way better, way more. And anyway, South Asian skin, हमारे पास, we have thicker epidermis. We have more melanin. We have
वो जो
great
color होता है,
हाँ,
जो आपकी skin
हाँ.
जो complexion
So,
आपको देती है.
हम बेसिकली हम wrinkles इतनी जल्दी नहीं करते, but हमें sunspots या hyperpigmentation बहुत जल्दी हो जाती है. ये चीजें zero knowledge के
Yeah.
पता क्या है.
Yeah.
sunscreen, you're right. I did not use sunscreen till a few years ago.
I think that makes sense though because अब information इतनी readily available
Yeah.
है. It's all on the net. When we were growing up, there was no I mean, there was later on, but it wasn't the same as today. So I guess these girls and boys just have everything at their fingertips, you know. So they go online and they see all these steps and then they incorporate it. When we were around, it was like, अगर अम्मी ने बताया तो ठीक है,
हाँ.
वरना
Google नहीं करना.
हम इतने भी एंशियंट नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ
But
थोड़ा
you're
सा
right,
वो गूगल
It's-
करने का वो नहीं
It's
था
knowing what you need to do at what stage you need to start
Yeah.
and how much you need to do.
Yeah.
And every skin is different. So it's all tailor made to each and every different skin. Like 20s, my skin was flawless and I used to get so many compliments. In my 30s, I think I started going to these facials. I think the facials ruined my skin. So what I never had, it gave me.
What kind of facials did you have that they ruined? Be specific
So,
now.
all the steam and all these
Steam?
you know, steam लेना, फिर mask लगाते हैं, फिर आपको पता नहीं क्या करते हैं. They open your pores. Anyway,
But do you have oily skin, dry skin or
South Asian people, हमारा जो pore
तुम्हारा
है
क्या
वो
है?
खुला है, ज़्यादा बड़ा है. So we anyway
Do you have
oily
oily skin?
Yeah, all
So
of us
excellent.
have.
So wait,
Yeah,
hold on.
yeah.
We will talk about your skincare
Okay.
because you have oily skin. I have very dry skin.
Ah.
इतना कि white वो spots नहीं जाते dryness के.
Okay.
The opposite. Even maybe तुम कह रही हो ज़्यादा South Asian skin के
Yes.
और खुले होते हैं oily. So that's good because
Yes.
we can talk हमारा फिर थोड़ा different होगा,
Yeah.
right?
But again, that's what I said. Every
मेरा बहुत
skin is
dry है.
different.
Yeah.
Your problems might be different to my problems if we even have
मेरी तो
problems.
शदीद dryness खुश्की है. Like
So-
dryness.
So the skincare that I started and the facial that I started doing, I think I became so dependent on them because I didn't know any better. So I thought they're fixing my problem, but the problem was I feel given by them also because I
Yeah.
never had that problem. But I was going to basically look better, but now I'm so dependent on the same person trying to fix my skin. And that was my huge mistake. So going back on that, I would like to say to everybody watching, कि before you even venture out, facial करना है, skincare करना है, पहले ये पता please लगा लो कि तुम्हारी skin type क्या है.
Because
और
the one
तुम्हें-
size does not fit all,
Fit
right?
all.
तो ये कह रही
And
हूँ,
what
हाँ.
do you really need? If you need to know. Like I didn't know I had like the T-zone oily, which I don't really think it's oily, but someone's telling me it's oily, but I need to go to the right person, go to the right
Good
dermatologist.
dermatologist.
Don't depend on, with due respect, on your ammi to tell you तुम्हारी dry skin.
मैं ये भी बोलता हूँ कि
Yeah.
बहुत सारे quacks हैं वहाँ भाई. मैं अब नाम तो नहीं लूंगी but पाकिस्तान में भी बाहर भी there's so many people dermatologists and they don't know what they're doing. वो आपकी जब तक स्किन को एनालाइज नहीं करेंगे तो आपके लिए एग्जैक्ट जो चीजें
Yeah.
हैं that will suit your skin. But एक आइडिया होता है. Even if you don't have the time या money to go to a dermatologist, you still can get it.
Yes.
एक आइडिया तो होता है.
Yeah.
और अब तो सारी information is online, so you can sort of find out कि मैं अपनी skin के लिए अपना skin type इतना तो पता ही चल जाता है कि dry है,
Yeah.
combination है, oily है.
So I had a phase where the skin went really bad, and then I had to really get control over it. Because makeup, I enjoy makeup, but I don't want to wear makeup 5 days a week. During the week, when I go for my workouts or to
But
school
people
pickups
that
and
go to
drop off,
office and stuff,
they
do
want to, but not.
एक होती है
But you
अपना
want
थोड़ा सा
party
कुछ
makeup
करके.
is different, right?
Yeah.
Like
Wait, सुनो party makeup की बच्ची. Can you tell me what you do for skincare? Everybody
so we're
just
coming
wants to
back.
know.
So
Get to the point.
I'm very regimented. For the past few years,
Yes.
I do not sleep. मैं चाहे घर 3 बजे 4 बजे whatever.
ये
Don't.
बहुत 3 और
अभी ना
4
पूछो
बजे
कि
आती है सुबह के घर.
4 बजे क्या करती है बाहर? I'm out. Anyway,
Rather
even if
lady
I'm
of the
out,
night अभी लग
my
रही है.
eyes are like, I will not sleep till my makeup is, everything is gone. I spend good 25 minutes and I do a proper skincare
Before sleep.
before sleep.
Let me talk about
Yes,
what I
talk
do
about
because
yourself.
actually I got a lot of questions about it.
ठीक है.
एक उम्र हो गई है but people do say कि you look good for your
Yeah.
age whatever. और आप क्या करती हैं? Please Annie, can you tell us what do you do to look the way you do? आपकी skin अच्छी लग रही है.
Yeah.
इतनी आप बताएं कि आप क्या करती हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So I'll just tell you very simply what I do. जब मैं छोटी थी मैं foaming. अच्छा मेरी स्किन ड्राई है ये मैंने कह
Yeah.
दिया ना. तो मेरी तो हमेशा से ड्राई स्किन थी बट मुझे शौक था कि बहुत ही फोमिंग क्लेंजर लगाऊं बिकॉज मुझे लगता था कि साफ नहीं हो रहा है unless वो इतना लैदर और फोम है. अब जाके पता चला. अब पहले भी पता होना चाहिए था पर वो मुझे एक वो दिमागी like I had a
Yeah.
like a thing that I just want it to be very foaming and but that strips away the natural oil. So if you have dry skin like me, you don't want the natural oils to strip. So you need to use a very mild cream sort of cleanser.
Yeah.
The number one ingredient for anyone with dry skin and also for combination skin is hyaluronic
Yeah. Hyaluronic
acid,
acid.
जो कि moisture build करती है. So that's the key ingredient in everything. ठीक है? तो पहले आपने एक gentle cream या non-foaming cleanser, the opposite of what I did,
Yeah.
use किया है. फिर आप करते हैं, अच्छा उससे भी पहले let me just say, even before you start putting things on your skin,
Yeah.
number one जो मैं करती हूँ वो बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पीती हूँ. This is part of my skincare. आप
So
तुम भी पीती हो
good.
शायद.
नहीं.
आप नहीं पीती हो. मैं जब सेट पे होती हूँ या जब भी हाँ काम पे होती हूँ, मुझे लगता है कि कोई पानी नहीं पी रहा. I'm like, आप लोग क्यों नहीं पी रहे? 2-3 लीटर पूछ तो रहे हैं. Like makeup artist भी पूछ रहे हैं. You know, some of my co-stars or whatever set वाले कि
I
आप
don't
क्या
like to
करती
run
हैं?
to the bathroom.
But you
Amazing
have
time.
to drink like at
I
least
know.
2 to 3
I
liters
used
of
to have
water.
phases, but अभी नहीं.
है नहीं, इनकी बात नहीं सुनो.
मेरी बात नहीं.
You have to drink
You have to
water.
drink water.
That is part
It's great
of
for
your
your
skin
hair
care.
and it's great for your skin.
And you have amazing hair. We'll talk about that. ठीक है, पानी बहुत जरूरी है, एक्सरसाइज जरूरी है, उस पर तो हम एक पूरा एपिसोड बाद में करेंगे. एंड स्लीप. ठीक है, फिर आपकी स्किन इतनी अच्छी होगी जितने आपकी जीन्स अलाउ करेंगे. ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू हैव गुड जीन्स. उसका आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. यू कांट गो बैक एंड चेंज योर डीएनए, बट व्हाट कैन यू डू इज दीज थिंग्स दैट आई सेड: वाटर, स्लीप, एक्सरसाइज. उसके बाद इफ यू हैव ड्राई स्किन, a cream cleanser. उसके बाद मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि सीरम्स वगैरह भी डालने होते. पहले मैं कभी नहीं डालती थी. स्ट्रेट टू क्रीम. एक
Okay.
मॉइस्चराइजिंग
हाँ.
क्रीम तो जरूरी था,
हाँ.
बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली ड्राई स्किन है, वो तो फिर फटने लग जाती थी और इट यूज्ड टू, यू नो, मेकअप भी नहीं बैठता था. बट आई डिडंट नो ये सारे सीरम्स वगैरह, वो मैंने अब स्टार्ट किया है. पहले मैं लगाती हूँ एक वही हाइड्रोक्लोनिक एसिड का सीरम, पहले वो डालती हूँ. फिर विटामिन सी.
That I use as well.
ठीक है, दैट आई गेस helps with discoloration also.
Yeah.
Does vitamin C help with collagen?
No, but it helps with discoloration and hyperpigmentation also.
Yes. So for me that's important because as you said हम South Asian हैं तो एक discoloration हो जाती है, especially जब हम tan करते हैं.
Absolutely.
गोरों से भी
Yeah,
ज़्यादा.
we get these spots. Yeah.
Especially when we're in the sun. So we need to. So I use vitamin C in the AM, in the day, and then there's another. Then you put your moisturizer. ठीक है?
Yeah.
आप moisturizer लगाते हैं. फिर आपका आता है SPF sunblock.
Yeah.
Do you know that for the first 25 years of my life, I didn't ever use sunblock.
I think most of us don't.
And every dermatologist, everybody says पहली चीज है, the easiest thing, सबसे सस्ती चीज है sunscreen लगाए.
Yeah.
SPF 50 and higher. और मैं लगाती ही नहीं थी because I was like, oh, you know, you're young, you're invincible, tarara,
Yeah.
टोपी पहन ली. But now अब हम पछता रहे हैं because that is the number one aging factor is sun exposure. और जाहिर है अगर आप साउथ एशिया में रहते हैं या कहीं भी रहते हैं तो you are constantly being, और वो कहते हैं अगर आप बाहर भी नहीं जा रहे, ऑफिस में भी बैठे हैं, the UV lights और आपका
Even
phone का light
even if when it's overcast होता है तब भी. But this is something we take for granted now because we
Yeah.
know how my skin is anyway more resistant to a
But
lot of
still,
things.
they were like,
Wrinkles
SPF
and so
लगाओ,
much. तो हम नहीं करते.
बाद में ना पछताओ.
Absolutely. You know, the funny thing is also, you know, when I get, mashallah, these aunties coming to me and...
एक सेकंड, एक स्टेप भूल गई
What?
बीच में. टोनर,
हाँ.
वो मैं भूल गई थी, वो मैं नहीं लगाती थी.
But the toner you use...
बिफोर सो आपने किया, स्किन को साफ किया, फिर आपने टोनर लगाया, फिर आपने सारे सीरम्स लगाए, फिर मॉइस्चराइजर एंड देन SPF. डन. फिर मेकअप.
And then your makeup. But then how good are you
रिमूविंग.
removing the makeup?
तुम अपना बताओ. रिमूव लग रहा है बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. सिंपल बताओ.
देखो, I have at least 8 to 9 creams that I use because I got this really awful acne phase. I think hormonal था last year, and
Okay.
alhamdulillah it's all gone. Even the marks are gone. I got a really good dermatologist who basically designed a great plan, and I saw the results. So my steps basically are: I wash my face, and then I do micellar water, house se saaf karke.
But for oily
then
skin, do you use a
cleanser.
different kind?
Yeah,
of
it's a different
cleanser?
kind. So it's a different kind, but it's just
For
the
oily
steps are all the
skin,
same.
yeah.
So then I have a cleanser. Once I finish my cleanser, then I have it's a scrub. It's a very gentle scrub that I use on the face in the morning and at night after before I sleep also. Then I have my steps of creams that I basically got just for my acne. And when I say acne, it's due respect to people who have really bad. It was literally 5 spots, but for someone who never even had a single spot, For me, it was, and I'll share these pictures, and you can see. For me, I was very upset because I didn't want to walk out with makeup on, and I had these 5 spots. I had no other way to gain my confidence but to cover it constantly. You know, hair and face. If you don't feel great, your confidence just dies right down. So, it's something I personally wanted to really look after. Again, the creams that I use, then I have the moisturizer, then I use the vitamin C. Vitamin C, then I have an eye cream that I use.
Eye cream,
Eye cream. And then I use my SPF.
Yes.
SPF के बगैर तो मैं जाती ही नहीं हूँ. And then
तुम्हारा SPF is like 100 or 100.
हाँ, it's a really high SPF.
Why so high?
Because I guess when I go to hot countries, it's 45 degrees and so on. But उससे ज़्यादा is better. कम नहीं. 30 SPF for our Asian skin is nothing. So the higher SPF you can get is very good. But also SPF doesn't last all day. So you need to keep topping it up. So I have these sprays.
Oh, I
and I have powders.
Oh, वो भी 100 में है. Is
so
your spray also in 100?
Yes. So I use them throughout the day when I'm on holiday. When I'm out, usually in London, so I don't get.
Because I've seen your skin without any makeup on, and you don't have such bad discoloration.
Not anymore.
You're very good.
Not anymore. But you have to keep it up. It's not a one-time solution. And then taking makeup off is extremely important.
I used to put अच्छा सा कोई भी मेकअप रिमूवर उन शीट्स पे डालती थी और पूरी शक्ल साफ करती थी, and it was easy because it was very very quick, but actually that's not good for you.
Not good for you.
So I do use just plain cotton. Right, plain cotton पे a good remover उससे मैं करती हूँ, but I don't have.
सालों पुराना makeup to keep that. And forget about सालों पुराना makeup.
Conjuice.
Keeping those brushes and the sponge and not ever cleaning them.
Me. Oh God.
So don't say कि भाई
break out.
It's पता नहीं it's genetic. No, your diet, your dirty makeup brushes, your dirty makeup, all of these things are very important, especially when you go out and you're touching 10 things. My thing is, I have this thing in my head. If I'm out and about, I will never touch my face. I will not even do this to my face. Because that dirty germs, पता नहीं कहाँ लग रहे हैं, and then the last thing you're doing is like itching your face and scratching your face. God knows what you put on your face.
You're absolutely
so right. I basically try and just like, don't even.
That's true. Yeah.
So
because here in London we use the tube, sometimes the bus. So मेरी आदत होगी मैं ऐसे चलती हूँ या तो बिल्कुल ग्लव्स पहने नहीं होते. Because inevitably गलती से ये हो जाएगा. फिर आपकी वही गंद जो लोगों ने, God knows where their hands have been, especially when you have no idea and you don't want to touch that on your face as much as you can.
So please wash your brushes. Those are very important.
मुझे ही बताओ.
Okay, please wash them.
Sorry. Yes.
Like obviously. On a regular basis, go through your little makeup bag and see कि क्या expire हो चुका है 4 साल 10 साल पहले. In fact, you'll be surprised. People are using all these expired makeup and they're like, what's going on? What am I doing?
The other thing is, हाँ मैं कह रही थी कि रात में actually AM और PM में थोड़ा सा फर्क होता है. रात में आप wrinkles, fine lines, I guess collagen stimulation थी. Retinol is also this thing जो मुझे 2-3 साल 2-3 years I've only been using retinol products. It can cause skin reactions, but you're supposed to introduce retinol products which have retinol slowly, first 2 to 3 times a week. Better to do it in the night because with the sunlight, I think that kind of like it doesn't work so well, right? Or it can cause a reaction. So what about things like facials and injectables?
I feel everybody needs to do it. Drink bone broth.
Because it has natural collagen. Can you start making a little bit extra and give it to me?
I can.
Yeah.
My mother asked me yesterday.
तुम बनाओगी मेरे लिए?
And my mom's like, मैंने कहा मैं अपने लिए बनाऊँ या आपके लिए?
नहीं, auntie is very beautiful. तुम
मेरे लिए आप खुद कर ले. But yes, it's easy and people can do it.
Are you going to give me some?
I will make you some.
अब हम साथ करें ना, साथ बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
मैं ले आऊँगी तुम्हारे.
साथ
collagen बनाए please, and then and put them, get these containers, freeze them, take them out, and so great as a soup as well.
Yeah, because देखिए हम सिर्फ obviously हमने serums, face washes इन सब के बारे में बताया, but हम facials भी करते हैं, फिर मसाज भी करते हैं, उसके बारे में नहीं बताया आपको. और फिर मैंने recently Potenza RF micro needling भी की है, उसके बारे में बताऊंगी. हाजरा ने चीजें की हुई हैं, वो उसके बारे में बताएगी.
Suspense.
So let's talk in detail. अगर आप लोगों को मजा आया and you want to know more कि हाजरा बोटॉक्स की बात करती है और मैं भी करूंगी, अभी किया नहीं है
because एडी ने बोटॉक्स नहीं किया ना, तो चीजें की हुई हैं.
चीजें की हुई है खुद
The suspense is on. हमने क्या चीजें की हुई हैं. If you want to know more, please give us your feedback. Watch our episodes and we will see you
on Annie and
Haja Unscripted.
Unscripted. We have to kind of be filtered. So again, Annie and
Haja
Unscripted.